Hello everyone and welcome back to Only VPNs. Now, can Netflix detect VPNs? Okay, it's a big question everyone's asking. Yes, of course they can. All right, it doesn't matter what VPN you're using. They have got serious technology that is tracking VPN use. Now, as the signal goes through here on Netflix, all right, whatever VPN you're using, they try and block the VPN news. So let's try. If I connect, we're using Expressvpn today, all right? I connect USA, New York, all right? Netflix won't have a clue, and I can refresh the page, and I will now get a catalog of all the different stuff I can watch while connected to USA, New York, all right? Now, if I change this, so if I go to, let's say France, internet traffic may be undercut, yeah, let's choose France, and I'm connecting, okay? That can connect to from Paris too, okay? And as you can see, Netflix cannot detect Expressvpn. Okay, it's one of the massive benefits that we have with Expressvpn. Now, just to prove this to you, I'm going to search Sing 2. Now, we all know, and I will show you that Sing 2 is not available in France. All right, why do we know this? I'm going to show you right now. Because when we look, it says United States and South Korea is the only places that will allow you to watch Sing 2. Okay, so let's go back to Netflix. Let's change this to the United States of America. Okay, we can go in here and actually choose any server you would like. I'm going to choose San Francisco and I'm going to connect. Instantaneous connect. This is why I love VPN. This is why I love Expressvpn in particular. It's incredible. And now look, if I refresh this page, Netflix cannot detect that I'm using Expressvpn. I can now click on Sing 2 and begin to watch it. Okay, I want to show you that it actually works. Look, I can watch it on here. It's incredible, right? It's incredible what you can do with Expressvpn. I love it. It cannot be detected on Netflix yet. Now, guys, if they do manage to start blocking out Expressvpn, they will only block out certain servers, all right? They've not got the power to block out every single server in one go. So if they block out, say, Washington, D.C., all you do is click the down arrow on the country that you want to look for and go to a different server, all right? Frankfurt 3 instead of Frankfurt 1. That's all you got to do. Just change the servers around. These servers are changing all the time. You can go far away on Expressvpn. As you can see, I can click a country. I'm in England right now, so let's go with Czech Republic's quite far. Continue, and it will connect nearly instantaneously. All right, look at that, it's connected. So you just click any server that has not been blocked. They can only block one every now and then. All right, Expressvpn is really, really fast at getting that server back up and connected to things like Netflix. Now, guys, if you are interested in Expressvpn, you don't have it already, please stay with this channel, okay, on onlyvpns.net, which is our beautiful website that we have some incredible deals for you, right? If Expressvpn is the one you want, if it is Sing 2 that you are trying to watch, if it is Netflix that's blocking out your server on your VPN, please visit onlyvpns.net and give us a try, all right? We have some crazy discounts. I've not seen discounts as good as the one we give. And get Expressvpn downloaded right now. Links are down below for anything that you need. Please hit the like button. Please hit the subscribe. Hit the bell if you want to be notified. And I will see you on the very next video.